Finally, it's here. The perfect family breakfast crispy pancake. Just eat and enjoy. Crispy, delicious, and packed with nutrients. Crafted by master bakers, the outer layer is kneaded and folded, wrapping a flavorful filling and then quickly frozen for convenience. Easy to prepare. Heat in a pan with oil 8 to 10 minutes on medium-low. Air fryer 400 Fahrenheit scale for 10 to 15 minutes. Or oven for 10 Fahrenheit scale for 15 to 18 minutes. Best served hot with a thin, crispy crust and juicy filling. We are available in radish and carrot and plant protein scallion flavors. A hit with both kids and adults, perfect for busy mornings. Now that you've read this, go ahead and stock up and try it at home. Jack and King's, a taste of China anytime, anywhere.